All right, y'all. My name is Pat White, Ocean Grove Duke. I'm going to explain to you guys how to make a monogram towel. I seen them on Facebook. I thought they were really cute, so I wanted to make one for my mom for Mother's Day, but I forgot. So I'm pressed for time. She's on the way. Gonna go ahead and make it simple. Some people were doing it manually in silhouette, but again, I'm pressed for time, so I just bought the font in silhouette for like $1. It's called LW Split. They do have the one with the flowering. I'm gonna resize it. I did get a 4x12 super white glass towel made by Jeffrey Court from Home Depot. It was like $2. So once you resize it, you'll cut it out. I am using image vinyl. It's permanent. You don't have to mirror your image at all. Just cut it out. Once you cut it out and weed it out, you want to get your transfer tape and put it on your image. Once you do that, make sure your letters are stuck. You want to eliminate the back. And that's weeding it out. Make sure your letters don't come up as you're weeding. If they do start to come up, just lay them back down. Now, sometimes the paper can get stuck to the back. You want to take your time off and remove that because it won't stick properly to the towel if you leave the paper at the back. Now, if you get some paper stuck on there, don't worry about it. Just get the remaining off and then grab your weeding tool and get the rest of it off. This whole process, man, took me about 10 minutes. So just get the rest of that paper off. I'm gonna get my weeding tool for the rest of it here. And again, just make sure you don't leave any back there. Now, you can do this for Father's Day, graduates, birthdays. It doesn't matter. You can add a photo. I'm going to do one of those videos later on because I'm going to do a gift for someone. And again, it's quick. It may take about 10 minutes max. Okay, so once you get all the paper off, you're going to grab a scraper and just make sure you get it, eliminate the air bubbles. Try to make sure your lettering sticks before you pull that transfer tape off. Now, if you start to pull your transfer tape up and your letter comes up, just lay it back down and get your scraper and scrape it again in that area and it'll stick. Now, once you feel comfortable, you feel like your lettering is in place, you want to go ahead and start at the corner. Don't rush, take your time. Again, because if your letter starts to come up, you'll need to push it back down and scrape it again. That came out beautiful. And again, you can manually split it in silhouette if you have the time. You also can add names in between if you like. But we were pressed for time, and happy Mother's Day. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.